Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without having to break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Chevy Tahoe Premier in black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seats, power sunroof, rear DVD player, power liftgate, 5.3-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number 90454A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.